Okay guys, so welcome to our new video. So this time we're gonna solve problem number 2. So again guys, so if you're going to remember yung problem number 2. So a house and lot daw can be acquired by a down payment of 500,000 and a yearly payment of 100,000 at the end of each year for a period of 10 years starting at the end of 5 years. So, let's say if your interest is at 14% compounded annually, so ang tanong dyan is, what is the cash price of the property? So, yun. So, magkano daw yung, kung bibilin yung property or yung bahay ng cash, so magkano daw? So, of course, ang gagawin natin, we'll project first yung scenario na yung bahay daw binili ng installment or kumbaga nag-down payment ka din tsaka naghulog. So, of course, yung annuity mo will start at the end pa daw ng 5 years. So, may deferment ka na naman. We have almost a deferment of 4 years. Okay? So, pag ganyan, of course, drawing tayo ulit ng cash flow diagram. So, of course, yung 500,000, since that's a down payment, so, of course, debit yon, tama? So, if you're going to project it into cash flow, let's say ito yung 0 year. So, let's say first year. So, of course, dito yan. Tama? So, this downward line, so debit yun, represents your down payment of 500K. Shortcut na lang, 500,000 yan. 500K. So, of course, sabi doon, yung annuity daw will start at the end of 5 years. So, which means, so, 2, 3, 4, then yung annuity mo will start here at the 5th year. So, makakahulog ka na dyan ng 100K daw. O 100K na lang. Then, it will continue for 10 years. So, 5. So, pag bibila kayo nyan, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So, it means, yung annuity mo daw will stop at the 14th year. So, kung tutuloy natin sa cash flow yan, if we're going to continue, so from the 5th year, so 6, so another 100K, then of course, putulin na natin yan. So, fast forward, then of course, you'll end at, say, 13. So, meron ka pa dito. Okay, then of course, the last annuity will be on the 14th year. So, yan. So, total of 14 years, bale. Ayan. So, yung duration ng iyong loan. Ayan, or yung pagbili ng house and lot. Okay, so what now? How will we solve this problem? So, of course, you need to know, guys, na in a down payment and annuity scenario, so to solve for the total amount, let's say, kung gusto mong computin yung total cash price tuloy, total price of the property, cash price tuloy. Ayan. So, total price ng bahay equal yan sa the down payment or DP plus your total annuity. Ayan. So, clear? So, ayan. That's how you're going to attack this problem. Daan nyo, ha? So, your total price ng property is equals your down payment plus your total annuity. So, in short, guys, so, ang gagawin natin, this annuity period, we're gonna project this into present. So, until the 4th year lang, of course. So, bakit ulit, sir? Bakit hindi mo isasama yung 5th year? Pag nag-compound interest ka, so after projecting your annuity to a present amount, then this time, gagamit kayo ng present amount or present compound interest starting from the 4th year up to the beginning. So, bakit, sir? Kasi po, plus compound interest pa to, sorry. So, total annuity plus your compound interest. So, since may compound interest ka pa, ito kasi, this is your compound interest. So this part of the deferment is the compound interest. So that is your down payment plus your total annuity plus your compound interest or CI. So, fourth lang yan, 4 years. So, yan, balik tayo dun sa sinabi ko. Let's go back to what I am saying a while ago. Why will not be including the fifth year? Bakit? If we're going to solve for the compound interest, will not be including the fifth year. Again, your annuity already covers your compound interest. Okay? So, baga, after doing your annuity, that's already your compound interest. Okay? So, yun. So, solve na natin to. So, to begin solving, so we need to project this annual payments to the project natin up to the 4th year. So, that is the present amount of your annuity of all starting from 5 years is equals to, of course, your annuity. So, present amount of annuity, 1 plus I raised to, ilan payment? 10 periods. So, 10 payments yan. So, 10 periods represents 10 payments. Interest is at 14% annually. Okay. Minus 1 all over 1 plus I raised to 10I. So, substituting the values. So, annuity is at 100,000. Yan. Then, 100,000 yan. 1 plus 0.14. So, raised to 10 minus 1 all over 1 plus 0.14 raised to 10 times 0.14. Then, using calculators na lang. So, this will be equal to 521,611.56. So, itong amount na to guys, itong 521,611.56, it represents your total annuity. Okay, beginning from the 5th year. So, of course, so, yun na yun. So, of course, gamitin naman natin to. This amount na will be your amount at the end of the 4th year. So, to solve now for the present amount ito or the total annuity na to, sorry. So, sige, PO na. Equal din yan sa total annuity plus the compound interest. Okay, so, ayan, PO mo. Ay, P to the 5 PO yan. So, ayan. So, ayun. So, solving now for PO, of course, compound interest lang naman yan. So, 521,611.56. Then, so, of course, present amount of your compound interest. So, 1 plus 0.14 raised to negative 4. So, ito yung ating, formula. So, solving now for your total annuity plus your compound interest. So, using calculators pa rin. So, this represents 308,835.91 pesos. So, yun. So, this amount represents your annuity plus your compound interest. So, yung compound interest. So, yan. Solving now for the total price of the property. So, down payment ulit, which is magkano yun? 500,000, di ba? Plus, eto, 108,000, which is, it comprises your annuity plus the compound interest na yan. Ano na yan? Sunod na natin yan. So, pinoject na natin yan from an annuity standpoint and compound interest. And, of course, your total price of the property, 500,000 plus 308,035. So, that's 808,835.92 pesos. Ayun. So, clear tayo, guys. So, that's how you solve this problem. So, of course, very important pa rin malaman nyo na this combination of compound interest, of course, and annuity. So that's how deferred annuity works. Okay? So our next problem, so solve naman natin yung problem number 3. Okay? So yun lang guys. Thank you.